We are going to go on the record in state of Kansas versus Austin Patrick Kirkhart. It is Butler County District Court case number 2023 CR 358. Mr. Kirkhart, I issued a warrant for you at the request of the prosecutor's office by submitting to me an active warrant and a probable cause affidavit. I set your bond at 2,000 cash or surety. You obviously have been arrested on that warrant and you've not posted bond. I want to do a first appearance with you on your charges. The Butler County Attorney's Office has charged you with 3 separate offenses arising out of an event that occurred on October the 5th of 2022. It's alleged that on or about the 5th day of October 2022 in Butler County, Kansas, you did then and there possess a narcotic drug or stimulant, to wit, methamphetamine, which is a violation of state law. It is classified as a level 5 drug felony. It carries, if convicted, of course you haven't been convicted. Sorry about that. If convicted, it carries a potential sentence of 10 months up to 42 months with the Department of Corrections and up to $100,000 fine. If you do not have any person felonies, you should be presumptive probation, but you may be ordered to complete mandatory drug treatment that's provided by the state. Then you're also charged with possessing marijuana. It's illegal to possess, even for personal use, marijuana in the state of Kansas. A first offense is a B non-person misdemeanor. It's alleged on the same day that you had marijuana in your possession. A B misdemeanor doesn't carry any potential prison sentence. It carries county jail time. It's a maximum of 6 months, $1,000 fine. There are no mandatory minimums. And then the paraphernalia is some kind of glass vaporizer and grinder that they allege that you possess with the intent to ingest, inhale, or otherwise introduce an illegal drug into your system. It's called possession of paraphernalia. It's also a B non-person misdemeanor. I'm going to enter not guilty for you. As I indicated, the case has been assigned to me. You've not posted bond. Are you going to be able to post bond on this case?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you working?
No, ma'am.
When did you last work?
It's been a while.
How old are you?
27 or 28.
Did you graduate from high school?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
But
Do you have physical or mental disabilities or something?
No, ma'am.
You just haven't had the motivation or
Well, I mean, I
inkling
work.
to-
I do under the table jobs because I don't have my ID or anything yet. That's about it. Anything under
Right.
the table.
I'm going to appoint Jim Watts to represent you. Your court date with me for scheduling purposes for a preliminary hearing will be November the 27th at 2:30.
Is there any way I can get out today? I can make the court date. Please, Your Honor.
Where are you living?
At 2044 South Water, Wichita, Kansas.
How long have you lived there?
A few months.
Do you have a lease there, or are you just living with
I'm
somebody?
just sorry. I'm just living with someone, paying them rent here and there, whatever I can do. And I'll work on getting my ID and everything, getting a job while I'm there. My next court date.
Where's your family at?
My dad, he stays in Wichita. My mom, she passed away when I was 12. My little brothers, they're all grown up out of high school.
Have you ever been to prison before?
No, ma'am.
Unless there's something very serious that I don't know about, like he's on parole or something, I'm gonna give him a $2,500 OR bond today. No drugs, no alcohol, and if you don't show up for court, I want you to come to the courthouse for court.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that November is plenty of time for you to get with your attorney, to get a ride here, and to be ready to go.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so
And
much.
if you miss any court dates, I am then allowed to schedule your case and not set a bond because of your failure to appear. So you will have for sure a surety bond, which may be very high, or a no bond hold.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is really your one shot to go ahead and get out on no OR bond. I'm not going to keep you in just because you don't have any money, but I can
Thank
tell you, you demonstrate to the court an unwillingness or an inability to appear for your court appearances, you'll be back in jail without a bond, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I would really appreciate if between now and then you would get a job and get some stability so that your attorney can work with you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All right.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Regier.
By the defense admission, he does not appear to rent, nor does he appear to reside in Butler County. Additionally, this defendant does appear to have some prior convictions, at least one misdemeanor possession of a hallucinogenic, as well as 2 prior possessions of drug paraphernalia by my count. If the court is going to give him the benefit of the OR bond, the state would respectfully request GPS monitoring.
No, that's too costly. You just heard the other guy that these people don't even have a place to plug this stuff in. This is an old case that wasn't originally charged back from October of 2022. We found him. He's been processed. He now is notified to appear for court. I'm going to give him a chance. And then if he proves to not be trustworthy, then I'll deal with it at that point. But I mean, it's obviously at some point or currently he has a drug issue. There's no question about that. But he doesn't appear to be a violent criminal or currently on parole, or even a felony probation. I'm going to give him an opportunity to show up for court and get this resolved. The other thing that you might do, sir, it might behoove you to get with ComCare. ComCare can help you with drug and alcohol issues, mental health issues in Sedgwick County. They offer free or reduced services, and they usually have advocates or social workers who will help you with figuring out how to get online and get your driver's license and all that stuff. So stop just sitting around doing nothing. Okay?
All right,
All right, thank you.
thank you.
Judge,
Thank
I'm
you, guys.
sorry, how much was that amount of the bond again?
I don't know. I think I said 2,500 OR.
2,500, okay.
Thank you, guys.
And, note it's over the objection of the,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. All right. And part of the problem is Mr. Regier is unfortunately, I don't know why I'm so backed up, but I'm not giving him a court date until the end of November. So that's a long time to sit.
Very good, Your Honor.